midnight train is rolling by beneath the cold and restless sky. I watch the lights fade into blue, and everyone reminds me of you. The coffee's cold, the room is still, but memories linger stronger than will. Your shadow dances on the wall like you never left at all. I've tried to leave the past behind, but your love stays on my mind. Somewhere between goodbye and forever, that's where my heart remains, holding on to what we had. Through sunshine and through rain, somewhere between goodbye and forever, I still call out your name. Though you're gone, your love lives on, burning like a flame. The old street where we used to walk still echoes with the dreams we talk. Every doorway, every light brings back another night. I've met new faces, seen new places, but none can ever take your place. Some loves come and go with time, yours is forever mine. No matter where the road may bend, my heart finds you again. Somewhere between goodbye and forever, that's where my heart remains, holding on to what we had. Through sunshine and through rain, somewhere between goodbye and forever, I still call out your name. Though you're gone, your love lives on, burning like a flame. Maybe love was never meant to end. Maybe distance is just another bend. And somewhere beyond these lonely years, you'll still be waiting somewhere between goodbye and forever. That's where I'll always be, keeping every precious memory safe inside of me. Somewhere between goodbye and forever, the stars still shine above, and every night they whisper softly the story of our love. Somewhere between goodbye and forever, I'm still loving you. The clock keeps moving on the wall, but time stands still inside my soul. Every sunset brings your name, every heartbeat feels the same. The moonlight falls across the room and paints your shadow in the blue. Though you're somewhere far away, you're the reason that I stay. Some loves fade into the rain, our still burns through every pain. When the night remembers all the dreams we shared, I can hear your laughter floating through the air. When the night see your eyes shining like forever in these lonely nights. The old cafe down by the shore still plays the songs we loved before. Every melody I hear brings your memory so near. The stars above refuse to hide, just like the feelings deep inside. Though the years have come and gone, my heart keeps holding on. Every road I travel leads back to where you used to be. When the night remembers all the dreams we shared, I can hear your laughter floating through the air. When the night remembers, I still see your eyes shining like forever in these lonely nights.
Romantic 80s, soft rock ballad, warm piano, and electric guitar. Nostalgic love story, deep emotional. Smooth drums, cinematic atmosphere, midnight memories, heartfelt chorus.
Drove past our old neighborhood tonight. The streetlights glow like they used to shine. Every corner held a memory of you standing there with me. The summer wind still knows your name and whispers it through the falling rain. Though the years have slipped away, some feelings never change. I've crossed crossed 1,000 miles alone, but my heart still finds its way home. Every road leads back to you, no matter where I run to. Every dream, every star above reminds me of your love. Every road leads back to you, like the tide returns to the moon. Through every season, every view, my heart keeps coming back to you. I still remember your favorite song, how you'd sing every word all night long. Now the melody remains like an old photograph in my brain. The world keeps turning day by day, but some memories refuse to fade. And every time I close my eyes, I see you smile again. I've searched for answers in the dark, but you're still written on my heart. Every road leads back to you, no matter where I run to. Every dream, every star above reminds me of your love. Every road leads back to you, like the tide returns to the moon. Through every season, every view, my heart keeps coming back to you.
Classic 80s, romantic soft rock ballad. Warm piano intro, clean electric guitar, emotional male vocals, nostalgic love memories, late night atmosphere.
I drove past our old neighborhood tonight. The streetlights glowed like they used to shine. Every corner held a memory of you standing there with me. The summer wind still knows your name and whispers it through the falling rain. Though the years have slipped away, some feelings never change. I've crossed 1,000 miles alone, but my heart still finds its way home. Every road leads back to you, no matter where I run to. Every dream, every star above reminds me of your love. Every road leads back to you, like the tide returns to the moon. Through every season, every view, my heart keeps coming back to you. I still remember your favorite song, how you'd sing every word all night long. Now the melody remains like an old photograph in my brain. The world keeps turning day Every time I close my eyes, I see your smile again. I've searched for answers in the dark, but you're still written on my heart. Every road leads back to you, no matter where I run to. Every dream, every star above reminds me of your love. Every road leads back to you, like the tide returns to the moon. Through every season, every view, my heart keeps coming back to you.
Classic 80s, romantic soft rock ballad, warm piano intro, clean electric guitar, emotional male vocals, nostalgic love memories, late night atmosphere, soft synth textures, powerful, sing along. Cinematic arrangement. Cinematic arrangement.
The city lights are fading slow, just like the dreams we used to know. I hear your voice inside the rain, calling my lonely heart again. The radio plays our favorite song, and suddenly you're not gone. Every street reminds me of the way we fell in love. Those seasons changed and years rolled by. Your memory still survives. I'm still in the moonlight, still holding on tonight, still chasing shadows of your smile across the endless sky. I'm still in the moonlight, where your love feels alive, and every star above me knows I never said goodbye. A photograph inside a drawer takes me back to what we were. Those summer nights, those whispered words still echo through my world. fading slow, but my heart still knows your glow. Rain is falling, pain my window pane, just like the tears I hide in vain. The city sleeps beneath the stars, while I'm here counting scars. Your photograph beside my bed still holds the words we never said. And every shadow in this room reminds me of me and you. Some hearts can learn to let love go. Mine never found a way to know. Hold your head beneath the moon like we used to do. I'd give anything tonight to hear you say my name. Just one more night with you would never be the same. The radio plays our favorite tune, a melody beneath the moon, and every note brings back the days when love would light our way. The years have bowed like drifting clouds, but your memory still stands out like a lighthouse in the dark, guiding my lonely heart. No matter where the future goes, there's one thing that my soul still knows. I'd give anything tonight Clock keeps moving on the wall, but time stands still inside my soul. Every sunset brings your name, every heartbeat feels the same. The moonlight falls across the room and paints your shadow in the blue. Though you're somewhere far away, you're the reason that I stay. Some loves fade into the rain, heart still burns through every pain. When the night remembers all the dreams we shared, I can hear your laughter floating through the air. When the night remembers, I still see your eyes shining like forever in these lonely nights. The old cafe down by the shore still plays the songs we loved before. Every melody I hear brings your memory so near. The stars above refuse to hide, just like the feelings deep inside. Though the years have come and gone, my heart keeps holding on. Every road I travel leads back to where you used to be. Oh, when the night remembers all the dreams we shared, I can hear your laughter floating through the air. When the night remembers, I still see your eyes shining like forever in these lonely nights.
Romantic 80s, soft rock ballad, warm piano and electric guitar, nostalgic love story, deep emotional, male vocals, smooth drums, cinematic atmosphere, midnight memories, heartfelt chorus, radio-friendly soft rock, timeless melody, emotional guitar.
Falling from my window pane, just like the tears I hide in vain. The city sleeps beneath the stars, while I'm here counting scars. Your photograph beside my bed still holds the words we never said, and every shadow in this room would light our way. The years have passed like drifting clouds, but your memory still stands out like a lighthouse in the dark, guiding my lonely heart. No matter where the future goes, there's one thing that my soul still knows. I'd give anything tonight for one more night with you, to hold your hand beneath the moon like we used to do. I'd give anything tonight to hear you say my name. Just one more night with you would never be the same. The city lights are fading slow, just like the dreams we used to know. I hear your voice inside the rain, calling my lonely heart again. The radio plays our favorite song, and suddenly you're not gone. Every street reminds me of the way we fell in love. Those seasons changed and years rolled by, your memory still survives. I'm still in the moonlight, still holding on tonight, still chasing shadows of your smile across the endless sky. I'm still in the moonlight, where your love feels alive, and every star above me knows I never said goodbye. A photograph inside a drawer takes me back to what we were. Those summer nights, those whispered words still echo through my world. I thought the time would heal the pain, but some hearts never change, and every dream I dream of you feels just as real today. Though miles divide what once was fading slow, but my heart still knows your glow.